Okay, hello everyone, this is Casey from WebBuddy. So now in this very short tutorial video, just want to show you how you can change the PHP version in your Siteground website. Okay, so log into your Siteground account and under div here, click on it and you can see there's a PHP manager. So click on PHP manager and you can see that currently it's a standard PHP depending on the hosting plan that you have. Okay, so what is PHP? It is a programming language that powers WordPress. So as of the time of recording, the stable version is PHP 8.2. And along the way, SiteGround will help you to update the PHP of your server to the most stable version. But this is also an issue because sometimes some of the plugin or the themes in your WordPress website is not compatible with the latest PHP version. So sometimes when SiteGround help you to update the PHP, your website might be down or encounter critical error. So if that's such a case, then you need to come into this PHP manager and click on action and select this to change PHP version manually. And under select PHP, just select 7.4 or any of the earlier version. Okay, so once you select 7.4, you can click confirm and it will change the PHP version in your server to 7.4, which is the uh, next updated version according to the PHP 7. Okay, but I would suggest that if possible, do not use PHP 7.4 because it's quite outdated. So if your website can run without issue in 8.2, just use 8.2. So this option is only available to you if your website cannot function with PHP 8.2. Okay, so I hope that you find this video useful. If you have any questions, feel free to post in the description and in the QA below. See you then. Thank you.